This video shows the aviator clock reactivating from sleep. The clock is in sleep mode, the analog displays are frozen, the digital seconds and the twin radar displays are off. Sleep mode is indicated by the panel LEDs alternating between pink and red. When the PIR detects motion, the analog displays move to the current time and the radar displays power up, log in, and start displaying aircraft location data. The clock will remain activated until the PIR detects no movement for a continuous period of 5 minutes.